Hello, what is up? Summer Penny here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I get my natural fluffy brows from this to this using only 2 products. I'm first gonna go in with NYX Brow Glue. I use the clear one. Love this stuff. I've got a, oh my God, I have a Christmas mug. But I have a vanilla tea and oat milk. It's so good. So cozy and warm and comforting, and it's like slowly snowing outside. And Loki's got the woofs. So, my brow glue. I've gone through like maybe 3 or 4 of these now. Like I've used it to empty and then needed to replace it. So first you want to saturate the hairs with the glue, and then you can start shaping. I kind of go at a 45-degree angle, so to speak. I'm not going straight up and I'm not going straight to the side either. Kind of like a 45-degree. And just start laying the hairs down. You kind of press and slide. Same with the tail ends. And then if you want, if your hairs are long, you can do kind of like this. I don't normally have to do that part because I trim the hairs. And you might just have to go over couple stubborn hairs. My front ends, or whatever you call them, the front of my brows, like to come back up. All right, so here is the brow laminated. You may have to go in further with further reinforcements, like a tool to just lay the hairs down. And again, just go at the same 45-degree angle. Just make sure they're laid down. You will have to wipe off the excess glue from your skin. I just take a fine tip concealer brush and some makeup remover. So the lamination is how we get that full fluffy look. Now, to kind of fill in any sparse areas, we want to go in with a brow pencil. It should be fine tipped though, because we just want to create like brow-like or hair strokes along the brow, really only filling in anywhere that is sparse. My 2 favorite pencils are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I use the shade Chocolate. The product end, which is fine tipped, and it has a spoolie end. My other favorite brow pencil is the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. And again, it has a spoolie end and fine tip product. We can just go in and start filling it in lightly with our pencil. And you'll see how I'm brushing in between, and you'll see that the hairs aren't moving, which is just amazing. They're super secure, laid down. What a difference. And you can choose, if you like, to clean it up with some concealer. Again, taking a flat, small concealer brush and just, top and bottom. I usually will prep my eyelid for eyeshadow by doing concealer, carving underneath, and then dragging it down, and that will be my base for eyeshadow. But wow. Wow. It's fluffy, full, looks very natural. So there you have it. These are the 2 brow products and the brow tricks that have seriously upped my brow game. Using brow glue and laminating the hairs, wiping off the extra glue, reinforcing with a separate tool and letting the glue dry down, and then a fine tipped pencil. You can of course also go in with a product like a brow pomade, but that's gonna give you that full, blocky, really drawn on brow. You do eyeshadow as well, but again, you're gonna have that really drawn on effect. So if you don't want too drawn on, if you don't want too chalky or sharp edges, and you just want that fluffy natural look, then definitely try this brow glue, try the brow pencil, let me know what you think. I'll do my other brow to give you the full look. This was my more sparse brow, so can you just see how much fuller it looks with just the glue? I haven't even touched it with the pencil yet. Also, there's a plane, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but gosh, everything seems to be going on right when I sit down to film. Wow, so good. So here you have it, my brow tips and tricks for upping my brow game that give me natural, fluffy, and full looking brows. Again, if you learned anything, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, help a girl out, check out my cosmetics, give a girl a follow. I love you so much, thank you, bye. I am doing one of my Instagram stories. You guys already know, you vote, you pick the color, the finish, the aesthetic, everything of the look by voting on my stories, and then I create it and post the tutorial. Today's winning combination is orange and cut crease. So if you want to see how that turns out, be sure to check it on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.